A little bit of everything all rolled into one. Why does that happen? Does that happen to you? Yeah. Hey guys, this is Jen of all trades. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Alright, today we are finally coloring my hair again. If you didn't see my last video, I have Iro Pink in my hair and I tried pretty successfully to get it out. It's still there, but we're gonna color over it and see how this turns out. I still have some color in there, but hopefully it colors over it okay. Let's go over what I'm using, what I'm gonna do, my inspiration pick, and all of that fun stuff. So, this is my inspiration. Ta-da! I don't know where it came from. I Googled the colors that I wanted. This came up. I was like, this is the one. And I also want to thank, not sponsored, however, I am now working with, very exciting, Lunar Tides. Okay, it's backwards. I'm so sorry. I suck. But Lunar Tides, thank you so much. I will have a discount code, so I do have one in the description box below. So if you are interested in using Lunar Tides hair dyes, you can check that out. But what we're doing today, we have Nightshade for the purple, and then I have a couple of different variations for the blue. So that blue that it was in that picture, it's almost like a turquoisey kind of blue. So I have Blue Velvet, which is a darker blue, but just in case it's not quite the blue that I'm going for, I also have Sea Witch and Moonstone. So these are a lighter color blue. This one's almost more of like a purpley blue, and this is more of like the aquamarine, like teal kind of blue. So I might do a little bit of mixing with those to kind of get the one that I want. I definitely want to lighten this blue up to get that desired effect. And the Aurora Green, for the picture, and I've used this before, this is one of my favorite colors from Lunar Tides. And it's a neon kind of green. However, this is showing in the container, it's more of like a Christmas tree green, like a green. But yeah, so this is what we're using. If you have never used this before, oh my goodness, look, it's still sealed. But this stuff, here, I think this one's already open. I've already used these. Oh, they smell so good. Like literally the best, absolutely best smelling hair dye I've ever tried. They also have these cute little brushes. These are the older ones, the darker ones. This white one's the newer one. If you get the sets, they come with the brushes. So that's super cute. What I love about this dye is that you just dip it in there. There's no mixing required, like I said, unless I'm trying to alter the color. So I love it. This is not a review or promotion video. I'm just sharing my thoughts. What you're here for is the hair color, so let's go ahead and get into that. So what I'm doing, purple on the root, okay? The problem we're gonna run into is this yellow. Purple cancels out yellow tones, which means if I put purple, which I want on my root, on this yellow, it's gonna turn a disgusting brown color. It's not gonna be cute. So my plan is to put green, which will be on the ends. I'm gonna put the green on the yellow spots, and hopefully it will work out. And then the purple, of course, will go over the pink, and everything else should be fine from there. So let's get this in my head, change it to a shitty shirt I don't care about, put some gloves on, and go. All right, so as always, I'm going to start on the back.
YouTube live.
Stop. Pink. All right, so what I decided to do to more closely match my inspiration pick, I am going to do some color melting, which means I did some pieces, instead of doing the purple, blue, green all the way around through the whole thing, I'm gonna do some pieces with the dark blue, the blue velvet, and then this is the Moonstone. I'm gonna do the blue all the way down. So blue velvet and then blue moon all the way down on some pieces, so it'll be blue all the way down, okay? So we'll alternate that throughout the whole head. The 3 and then the 2, the 3 and the 2, the colors, right? Okay, following. So what's gonna happen though, however, is the pink sections, kind of like what I just covered, if you mix blue and red, what do you get? Purple. So pink is on the red spectrum. So if you put blue over any version of a pink, you're gonna get a form of purple. So I fully expect some of these pieces, and you can kind of see, they have a purpley tint to them. So that's okay. We're gonna be multi-dimensional. And I think it's gonna look really fucking dope when it's done. So let's continue putting this on my head. The color shift, oh, that's so pretty. Okay, well, hopefully it turns out when it rinses out. This next part, oh, I'll come back when I'm up here. That's gonna be a tricky part. All right, so now we're back and we're doing the front final pieces. So this, as we spoke about, is very yellow. So to combat that, I'm just gonna do a full green money piece. Literally money. Okay, so let's section, I mean, some of this is so yellow. Oh, it's very, very yellow. I don't know if you can see that, but she's very, very yellow. So I'm gonna do the light blue over this, and of course going on the colors that it is, it could turn purple, it could turn green. I could be blue, I could be green, I could be violet sky. You know that song? From little TikTok. Okay, so that's pretty. Okay, that worked out very well. Very well, except for whatever's going on there. All right, so now we have this. I really don't want to do it all green. It's gonna be so ugly. Let's try a little piece and see what it looks like. So there's that, okay. All right, one step at a time. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm gonna wipe my hands off again. Look at my shirt. This thing is soaked with color. Like, oh, it'd be kind of cool if it stays. Okay, so what to do with this? All right, I'm gonna do dark blue. Dark blue will cover it. That is what my final decision is. So, this is what we got. We have this one piece in the front, all blue. We have the all green. We have different parts of my roots are purple. Some parts of my roots are the dark blue. A little bit of everything all rolled into one. Why does that happen? Does that happen to you? All right, we're gonna let this sit about an hour Technically, the directions say 30 minutes. I like to do an hour. It is what it is. So we're gonna let this set. I will be back with the final results. I can't wait. She's gonna be beautiful. Oh, look. Let's see if she stains or if it comes out, because I got it everywhere. All right. I'll be back. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, this is the final result. Alrighty, well, this is it. What do you think? Let's talk about a few things. So, there's some staining. I tried fingernail polish remover and I tried rubbing alcohol. I'm not sure what you're supposed to use, but there's definitely some staining on the scalp area and underneath on my neck. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, so usually that comes off within the first couple of washes, so it's not a big deal. It's fine, just a little bit purple at the moment. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the Aurora Green. And I don't know if, I feel like because I did some full-on blue streaks that has something to do with it. But it looks like a true green, you know, and I was really going for more of a neon green. So they do have a lot, Lunar Tides does have a full line of neons. Here we go. They do have a neon lime, and this is the Aurora Green. Now looking at that, unless it's in the sun, well, I mean, I guess it is pretty similar. But like I said, I think the blue is what dulled it down. So I wish it was more of a neon. So I do plan on lightening that, adding some yellow to it or something. We'll see how it goes. But this is the overall look. Let me show you the back. Here's the purple staining. I made a mess. But thank you to Summer at my school for curling my hair. She does so good with her curls. They're so pretty. I love it. And don't forget to check down in the description box. I do have a 15% off code for Lunar Tides. If you're interested in creating this look or trying out any of these beautiful colors, check out the link below, as well as the full list of everything that I used will be down in the description. Also, don't forget to add me on Instagram. I did just start that account, so she's a real low right now. So if you can add me on there, I would much appreciate it. And follow me there, message me if you have any questions. And yeah. All right, well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe for more awesome videos. And I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.